A lot of patients come in missing teeth, and their desire is to replace that missing tooth, and there's several options that we give them. Often we say that treatment is not necessary. So in this example, they would go without the tooth. Traditional dentistry will say, well, let's do a bridge, and that involves cutting the tooth, as this model shows, and bridging the two together. With implants, we are able, know your model, this is so wonderful. We are able to place in a man-made root form into the bone itself, and from there we're able to make an anchor that holds a tooth. As we look at it, this tooth stands free. It does not depend on its neighbors, and it supports great bone health and gingiva. Our patients are able to floss in between and keep their mouth healthy and support the bone that this implant is placed in.